Hi there! Suddenly there's been a storm for budget fitness bands in the market. Year after year, companies are coming up with their own upgraded versions and competitive pricing. So here is the Honor Band 4, which costs $25.99 on Amazon. It's sort of in direct comparison with the Mi Band 3. The biggest plus, however, is that this has a color AMOLED display. Well, we'll keep the comparison video for some time later. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing and hands-on overview of the Honor Band 4. So continue watching this video. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. Alright, let's check out what's on the box. You have the Honor Band 4 branding, AMOLED touchscreen display, the picture. Right here you have the AMOLED display, heart rate monitoring, scientific sleep monitoring, and swim stroke recognition. You have the QR code. You want to scan this code to download the app from the App Store and the Google Play Store. On the back you have the Honor Band 4, AMOLED large screen display, accurate real-time heart rate, scientific sleep monitoring and sleep stages, water resistant 50 meters, swim stroke recognition, pool swimming, multi-sport, smart notification, call, message and smart alarm, 14 days normal use battery life. It's Bluetooth enabled. Okay, we have the warranty card, and that's a quick start guide. Okay, you have the charging cable, which is a USB to micro USB. So here's a clip to charge it directly, so it doesn't slide in or something. You just keep it inside. Hopefully it's magnetic, or maybe it's not, because I can see these hooks here. So we'll check that out. So this is a charging dongle dock, and finally here is the band. Let's have a closer look. Okay, there's a screen guard kind of thing. Let's remove that. All right. Okay, the band is really soft. If you can see, the band has a texture on it, sort of a texture. It has the Honor branding on it as well. So it's got a loop, unlike the Mi Band, which has a click mechanism. Any buttons on them? So here's the heart rate sensor, and here's for the charging. These are the terminals for charging. Here's the heart rate sensor. And no buttons, absolutely no buttons. So let's turn this on and see how the screen looks, and let's pair it quickly with the device and see how it performs. So before we begin, we're going to charge the Honor Band, and for that we're going to need the charging dongle, and you're going to connect this to the micro USB which is provided in the box, and you're going to connect it here, and you're going to connect the dock to the Honor Band, and you're going to make sure that it clicks in nicely so that it charges. You can see here that once you click it, you hear a click sound. There you go, and it holds nicely. Download the Huawei Health app on your Android or iOS device and turn on Bluetooth. The pairing process is fairly simple. Okay, it's connected with 80% battery, new version found. Okay, let's auto update a little later. Let's have a look at the app. Quick look at the app, and you can see steps. Right now 0, calories, distance, help. Here with sleep. Let's have a quick look. Activity reminder, continuous heart rate monitoring disabled, alarm, notifications, weather reports, Bluetooth disconnection reminder function, raise wrist to wake screen. We used to call it raise to wake, and that's actually the same thing. And auto update, let's turn it off for now. Firmware update new, factory reset, and unpair. Let's have a quick look at the display and interface. Wow, that looks really impressive. No, okay, it's quite smooth. In fact, it's really smooth. Heart rate. This is for the sleep, workout, more. What do you do on click, or we go left? More. So how do we go into more? Okay, faces. So there are, wow, Okay, I'm already in love with this. I am already in love with this. There are 3 watch faces, but I'm kind of impressed already. Okay, this is the percentage. Suppose you set 10,000 steps, it will tell you how much you have completed. And heart rate, let's just go in and see. Measuring, please stay still. Right now I can't. Heart rate, outdoor run, indoor run, outdoor walk, indoor cycling, pool swimming. Now this is something which very few budget smart bands have, and that's really impressive. Pool swim, free training. Let's go back. What else do we have in more? Okay, we have find phone, faces, timer, stopwatch, brightness. Okay, I have to figure out a button to go back. Okay, timer, stopwatch, brightness, restart, power off. Wow, now that is something I was missing in one of my previous bands, and you know which one I'm talking about. Yes, Mi Band 3. So does it go back? Okay, yes, so you can go here, and when you swipe back, it comes back. Timer, so you can start a timer. You go back, swipe to go back, stopwatch, back. So that's good. You want to go back, and you have messages. No new messages. You go back, and there's the time. And as you can see, it shows battery, it shows the hour time, it shows the date, it shows the steps walk. What else? And it shows, even if you can see on the top, it even shows the weather actually. Truly impressive. Also, another thing I'd like to say is the strap is nice. It has something that I observed, that it has this nice branding. Huawei Technologies, Singh, made in China. So strap is good. It's got this nice texture on it. Truly impressive. So in my initial impressions, the Honor Band 4 is impressive. Color AMOLED display, 50 meters water resistant with swim tracking. Wow. Of course, there's yet a lot more to be explored. Don't miss the full review video that is coming soon. Also, if you'd like to buy the Honor Band 4, I'll leave the links in the description. You can check it out and buy it from there. I shall also be doing a comparison video of the Honor Band 4 with the Mi Band 3. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification icon so you don't miss the notification when the video is uploaded. Also, you can write down your questions on the Honor Band 4 in the comment section. The most popular and the most frequently asked questions will be picked up and answered in the full review video of the Honor Band 4. And I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.